Don't you hate it when some pesky woodworking magazine tells you to trim this pattern close to the line and then finish it off with a spindle sander or a drum sander, and you don't have either one of those? Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine that'll really help you out. My solution is taking my drill and turning it into a drum sander. And here's how I do it. What I've got here are 2 pieces of 3/4 inch multiply ply that have been glued and screwed together. They're forming a right angle. And what I've got on the bottom here is a little bit of sandpaper and my drill inverted and a couple of clamps. And you probably can't see it, but there's a small shim in the front. So to use this, I've done the tightening here to hold the drill in place, but I want to make sure that what's coming out of here, which will be the spindle sander, is going to be 90 degrees to the face. So I can check this by putting a square on here, and it's pretty good. If this were leaning down or up, I would move that shim this way or this way to make up for the difference. Once it's secure, I'll put that drum sander on and I'll show you how it works. The flat part here is going to ride up against the top of my pattern, which I've double stuck tape to the top of the workbench, and I'm going to be moving right to left as I do this. Well, that's just perfect. This works really well.